Peter, and I'm a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor. Would you like some straight advice on how to monitor the health of your QuickBooks data file? I'm going to show you that, but as you guessed it, I need to get back to my office.
Periodically, it's important to check the health of your QuickBooks data file. QuickBooks accounting data files are not unlike automobiles. Regular attention and care can promote longer and trouble-free operation. One of the first steps in assessing the health of your QuickBooks data file is to press the F2 key. Once pressed, QuickBooks will display a product information dialog box providing a lot of information. The three most important pieces of information from the product information dialog box are A, file size, B, DB or database file fragments, and C, list information. If the size of your data file is in excess of 500 megabytes for a QuickBooks Pro or Premier data file, that's large and is more prone to data corruption. Similarly, if you're running QuickBooks Enterprise, if you have a data file in excess of 1,000 megabytes or 1 gigabyte, you're also prone to more data corruption. Having a file size in excess of 500 megabytes for Pro or Premier or in excess of 1,000 megabytes for Enterprise does not mean the file will automatically corrupt, just the chances of corruption are more likely. The number of DB or database fragments should be a single digit. When database fragments are in the double digits, it does not necessarily mean the QuickBooks data file will become corrupt, just the likelihood of corruption increases. There are a number of ways to reduce the size of a data file. Some are simple and some are complex. The quickest and simplest technique, which may provide some relief to the oversized file and excess database fragments, is to create a portable company file and restore the portable company file back onto your computer's hard drive. Undertaking this step can reduce the file size and number of database fragments. The number of entries under list information can also have a bearing on the health of a QuickBooks data file. Simply stated, if a QuickBooks Pro or Premier data file is nearing the limit of names, 14,500, the file may not operate as efficiently as was once the case. In the absence of migrating the data file to QuickBooks Enterprise, where there are practically no limitations, lists can be made more manageable by merging list items that are no longer being used or have been duplicated. More techniques on QuickBooks data file health will be covered in the QuickBooks Sandwich number 2, Straight Advice on QuickBooks Data File Health.
And so, that's just some straight advice on how to monitor the health of your QuickBooks data file by use of the F2 key and the product information screen. Speaking of straight, behind me is the Northumberland straight. I've been a QuickBooks Pro advisor since 2001, a professionally designated accountant since 1981, and for the past 4 years I've taught a whole lot of people how to use QuickBooks. You may have guessed that I have a high value on free time and enjoy outdoor activities in all 4 seasons of the year. If you guessed that, you guessed correctly. I'm hoping that this video helped you increase your QuickBooks knowledge and will allow you to have more free time. But if you find yourself still with an appetite for more QuickBooks knowledge, don't worry, there'll be lots more servings of the QuickBooks sandwiches coming up very soon.